children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will do the perfect tenses. Now let's learn. The term perfect suggests that the action has been recently completed. It means the perfect tense is used to describe actions which have been finished. कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं perfect tense को? जहाँ हमारा काम complete हो गया है. Present perfect tense. This tense is used to talk about an action that is started in the past but has just been completed. Present perfect कि past में start हुआ है लेकिन complete अभी हुआ है. The present perfect tense is used, number 1, to describe an unfinished action or habit that is started in the past and the effect of which we can see, feel even in the present. पास्ट टाइम में स्टार्ट हुआ है लेकिन उसका इफेक्ट अभी भी प्रेजेंट टाइम में महसूस हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव रिटर्न 10 इन्विटेशंस ऑलरेडी. आई एम स्टिल राइटिंग. शी हैज सॉल्व्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द सम्स बाय 5 o'clock. मोस्ट ऑफ द सम्स सॉल्व हुए हैं, सारे नहीं हुए हैं. मीन्स शी इज स्टिल सॉल्विंग दैम. नेक्स्ट, टू डिस्क्राइब पास्ट एक्शंस द टाइम ऑफ विच इज नॉट नोन और इम्पॉर्टेंट. टाइम जिसका पता नहीं है और वो इम्पॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है कि कब शुरू हुआ ये जानना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ डिस्प्यूट अकर्ड अमंग द नेबर्स. द पुलिस हैज अराइव्ड. सम ऑफ द पीपल हैव कंप्लेन्ड ऑफ assaulting them. The police has arrested the rioters. Next, to describe an action which begins in the past and finishes at the moment of speaking. जिस समय बोला जा रहा है पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ है, फिनिश कब हो रहा है जिस समय उसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैवंट सीन यू फॉर एजेस बट आई सी यू नाउ. दिस रूम हैज़ नॉट बीन क्लीन्ड फॉर मंथ्स सो वी आर क्लीनिंग इट नाउ. महीनों से साफ नहीं हुआ लेकिन अब साफ कर रहे हैं. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, affirmative sentences, subject plus has have plus the past participle plus rest of the predicate. I have posted all the letters. They have purchased a new house. She has received a letter from her aunt. Now negative sentences, subject plus has have plus not, the past participle plus rest of the predicate. She has not solved any of her problems. I have not learnt my lesson. They have not shown their homework so far or yet. Next is interrogative sentences. Has have plus subject plus past participle, third form of the verb plus rest of the predicate. WH word has have plus subject plus past participle plus rest of the predicate. Have you won the cricket match? Question mark. Has he eaten the food which was served to him? Why has she not talked to her teacher so far? Next is the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense shows that an action was completed at some point of time in the past before another action began. Past perfect क्या शो करता है कि किसी certain time period में आपका जो काम आपने past tense में start किया था वो दूसरा action शुरू होने से पहले complete हुआ था. This tense is used to describe an action which was completed before another action took place in the past. For example, when we arrived at the party, our friends had already gone home. The train had left before I reached the station. पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. When the doctor arrived, the patient had run away. Next, to express an action completed in the past with the words already, before, never, still, ever. इन वर्ड्स के साथ अगर काम पास्ट टाइम में कंप्लीट हुआ है. She had met my friends 6 months before. They had never quarreled with anybody. The mob had already dispersed. Next, to express duration up to a certain time in the past. For example, by the time I left the school, I had taught that class for 10 years. By the time the man came out of the house, the thieves had escaped with the goods. Next, to express a past wish, hope, etc. that was not realized. For example, he wishes now that he had taken your advice. We had expected you to bring us some good news. Now, sentence structure, affirmative sentences. Subject plus had plus past participle, third form of the verb, plus rest of the predicate. She had prepared tea before her husband got up. They had completed their work long ago. उन्होंने अपना काम बहुत लंबे समय पहले कंप्लीट कर दिया था. You had finished your dinner before he arrived. उसके आने से पहले आपका जो डिनर था वो फिनिश हो चुका था. Now negative sentences, subject plus had not plus past participle plus rest of the predicate. They had not completed their work by yesterday evening. You had not taken tea before the sun rose. She had not prepared lunch before the children returned from school. Next is interrogative sentences. Had plus subject plus past participle plus rest of the predicate question mark. WH word had plus subject plus past participle plus rest of the predicate question mark. Had they completed their work in such a short time? Had she cooked food before the guests arrived in? Had you left for Delhi before began to rain? What had they eaten before they went to the hospital? Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it. Now next is your future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used for an action which will have been finished at a particular time in the future. Future time में किसी particular time period पे आपका काम खत्म हुआ है. This tense is used to describe an action which will be completed at some point of time in the future. For example, by the end of this week, we shall have shifted to a new house. I shall have returned from school by that time. He will have retired by the year 2025. I shall have completed my homework before he comes. Now note, time expression such as by that time, by tomorrow, by next week, by the year, etc. are commonly used in future perfect tense. जो future perfect tense होगा उसमें ये शब्द जैसे by that time, by tomorrow, by next week, by the year ये आपके उसमें यूज किए हुए होंगे. Now sentence structure. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus will shall plus have plus past participle plus rest of the predicate. Sentence. He will have made purchases by now. We will have heard the news by then. I will shall have revised my lessons. Now negative sentences. Subject plus will shall not have plus past participle plus rest of the predicate. He will not have made purchases by now. You will not have heard the news by then. I shall will not have revised my lessons. Next is interrogative sentences. Will shall plus subject plus have plus past participle plus rest of the predicate question mark. WH word plus will shall plus subject plus not have plus past participle plus rest of the predicate. Now, will you have washed your car by evening? Will shall I have revised my lessons? Will she have made purchases by now? Who will have helped you finish your work? Now note, the structure of a sentence in future perfect tense is will plus have plus past participle. It doesn't change with the person or number of the subject. ये person के according या number of subjects के according change नहीं होता. Now this is your exercise. You have to complete it.